We have that officer's driving record, 7 pages of citations, suspensions, and crashes, culminating in the death of attorney Cliff Woodards. The question being raised now, should she have been allowed to get behind the wheel?
And maybe if somebody had picked up page 1 or 2, we don't have to get to page 7.
The ex-Detroit cop who killed attorney Cliff Woodards in an on-duty car crash was involved in 3 other accidents in the years leading up to it. Teaira Funderburg was sentenced to 1 year of probation after pleading no contest for the deadly collision. Attorney Arnold Reed is representing Woodards' family in a $50 million wrongful death lawsuit against Funderburg and the city of Detroit.
Cliff ain't coming back, but we can do something, hopefully, to make sure this doesn't happen again. We can do something, hopefully, to make sure that officers are vetted a little bit more rigorously before they get behind the wheel of a motor vehicle.
After racking up a number of speeding tickets, Funderburg had her license suspended in 2010 and again in 2011. She joined DPD in 2016 and was involved in a crash in November of 2018. Funderburg was involved in a second crash while on duty a month later. DPD determined that crash was preventable and Funderburg was disciplined. Fast forward to December 2020. Funderburg is behind the wheel of a scout car struck by a drunk driver. She was not at fault in that crash, but she would be 2 months later. While rushing to assist other officers in a non-emergency, non-life-threatening situation, Funderburg ran a red light, colliding into Woodards' car.
And now we're sitting here talking about what a great guy Cliff was, what a good lawyer Cliff Woodards was, what a good man Cliff Woodards was, right? We're talking in past tense. And it just didn't have to be, Randy. It did not have to be.
Dispatchers and even Funderburg's partner told her to stand down before the crash as she raced to assist the other officers. Reed believes she should not have been behind the wheel to begin with.
You can't give somebody your vehicle if you know that person is either incapable, unfit to drive, and this is ample evidence that this was clearly something, Randy, that was preventable if someone had taken a bit of a closer look.
We reached out to DPD for comment about Funderburg's driving records, and while they typically do not comment on pending litigation, a spokesperson said they're turning over this inquiry to the Office of Professional Standards for further review. In Detroit, I'm Randy Wembley, and this is The Edge.